Kementeri Kesarkar Jela kepada Ruganong Aiktin jaga Meglai Democratic Alliance ke Kong Amprin Lingdo hak arpenyo terik ucilio kelapen syai halor ke Jingkhang ya ke Jingde ya ke Dohkha Thied na Shabar ke Jela bat kalaya daru ya omentirang ba daga boong ba ke Jingpam syai ke day namar ba ompat shimla pentip ya omentirang ba syapang ke Jingweng no ya ke Jingkhang bende Dohkha Kajingbam Shai kalami hadin bagi Deputy Commissioner ke East Khas Hills District but ke West Khas Hills District haka apnre terik ujelio kila pentip balau beng no ya ke Jingkhang bandi ki Dohkha Thied na Shabar kata na duka arp sau terik ujelio kani ke jing pentip kalong mar persya ke jing kren jo menteri rangba ukon rat ki sangma haka jo usngi menteri rangba ulai thu ekila patai kubor baga sarkar kan puli benya shwa ya ke jing long jing man shwa ban rai ban weng no ya ke Jingkhang bandi ki Dohkha
Honorable Chief Minister may not have been briefed that the ban was on till the 26th. However, henceforth, random testing will continue. And if tomorrow another test is conducted and it is found that the formalin levels in fish is very high, then we will have to reinstate the ban. The Chief Minister was simply responding to a query of the media as to what is the take of the government on this matter.
Habakali la kani ka Jingweng no shipor ya ka Jingkhang bandi Dohkha klem pat yo ya ki result jong ki test ba per kan bo jingmane em ya ka koi ka kya upai ba ka menteri ka loong
Community has to take all the necessary precautions. So we should avoid so that there is no market. Simple. If you want to remain healthy and safe, time and again for many years now. This is not something which is happening only now. You've seen it again. 17, you've seen it in 14. Time and again these tests keep revealing that fact. So stick to fish which is safe to eat.